That is such good confirmation for you guys. You're dealing with me. You found my services, independently, and then you went out to shop, and the people on that side are saying, deal with Olin.
Exactly.
I
'Cause
love that. I will just say that you are covered in the offer to purchase on that clause that it is pending or subject to a bond being a mortgage being approved for you both. So you are fine in terms of doing it just before we actually looked at all the documents. So I'm very cautious with my pre-approval assessments, and I do them methodically and very comprehensively, especially when it is for clients that are earning, foreign currency, working with contracts. It's not your standard. You're working here for a South African-based company, and it's ZAR. She mentioned to me that it's a Canadian company.
Yes.
And it's contract based. So because of those factors, we do just need, the full scope of documents. I usually request the documents that go for both processes. So when I give you that certificate or issue it, it's, you can rest assured we can take it to the bank. Yes. Just to check, there was something else. Yes, the Islamic Finance option, I did say that I can secure, and we do work with the FNB options, which are the most sought after for our clients. They are just the best in terms of rate, and they just are giving you the optimal service as well. Yes, the reviews were not very positive on that we found with clients on the Albaraka offerings. I think go with a bank where you can have the full scope of services, in terms of banking, etc. And they have a very large established presence. Okay, awesome. So I'm looking very forward to assisting you both. Thank you so much for also just confirming to Rolene that you are using me, because it's a really good thing for them to also solidify the people that they partner with. Clients out there, are aware of us and would love to work with us. So thank you so much for that. I look forward to assisting you both. And I'm sure it looks positive, because the fact that they've sent me, usually when they send me the instruction, or not the instruction, just to say, please contact the clients just before I get the signed offer, it usually is a positive. It usually means that the seller is most likely to accept.
Okay, perfect. That's of course good news.
Yeah. Absolutely. So very good question. On the purchase price, you're looking at about, on transfer, right? Just on the transfer side, you're looking at about 48,000 estimatedly, on the purchase price that you've agreed on, and subject to the seller also agreeing. And then the total bond registration, that's where the 50% discount will come in for the first time buyer campaign that the banks hold.